These are the fluffiest cinnamon rolls you will ever have. Okay, most amazing thing, this is without oven recipe. Honestly guys, ये बहुत मज़े के बनते हैं, आप इनको लाजमी ट्राई करना. First you have to take 1 by 4 cup lukewarm water to activate the yeast. Add 1 tablespoon yeast. It's really important to use lukewarm water. You have to use the lukewarm water to activate the yeast and then gradually mix it. After mixing, we will add 1 by 4 cup of powdered sugar. And before you ask, no, you cannot use the castor sugar. Then I will add 3 cups of flour. After adding the flour, use 1 cup of milk. I highly recommend use the warm milk. And then 1 by 3 cup of melted butter. Mix it with the fork or with your hands and cover it or rest it about half an hour. So the most important thing guys, that if you are using an unsalted butter, you can use a pinch of salt in it. After half an hour, you can see the rice flour. So punched it. After punching, knead it with your hands. Flour your hands. Make your area well. We will make 2 batches. So guys, if you do not subscribe my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell because your support means well to me. Roll it by using a rolling pin in a circular shape. That will be more perfect. After rolling, you have to butter it. First you have to butter by using a knife. Then I will add the castor sugar, about 2 tablespoons. After sprinkle the castor sugar, I will add 1.5 tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. Sorry, powder. And after layering, roll it from one side to the other. You have to roll it gently. After rolling, I will cut it into 6 pieces. So in this way I will cut another 6 pieces of the cinnamon rolls. Then bake it about 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, we will make cream cheese glaze. You have to take 1/4 cup of castor sugar and cream cheese about 150 grams. Mix it well and make a thin paste like this. So guys, I want to show you that there is no difference between with and without oven. That will be more perfect and fluffiest cinnamon rolls you will ever have. These are so delicious. Glazed it. So in this way you can see that it turned out super soft and fluffy, and I cannot wait to share the recipe. These are so mouth-watering cinnamon rolls. Glazed it and enjoy. So guys, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you next time with another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.